Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to enable the Nigh light or a comfort mode. So basically, firstly I will show you how to customize this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature using the upper bar. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on the display and brightness. And as you can see here, let's say on the third or fourth position we've got the eye comfort, and of course you can turn it on without actually customizing it if you don't want to. So just tap on this switcher right here, and as you can see the screen turns yellowish or amber, and it is of course in order to filter the blue light. And what's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're the biggest fan of using your device in the bed when everything around you is dark, then it will be easier and not as painful as using the, let's say, regular colors without the eye shield. So okay, that was quite a long introduction. So this is how to turn on the eye comfort without customizing it. But if you'd like to customize, simply tap on eye comfort, and as you can see, here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, here we've got the switchers. Right now we've got always on, which means that we have to turn on and off the eye comfort manually every time we want to use it. But under it we've got the schedule time, which means that after tapping on this switcher we will be able to pick the start time and end time, so our device will automatically turn it on or off. And that's quite cool. We can pick I don't know, maybe something like that, and end time at 7 a.m. And as you can see, the device immediately changed the color, so it applied the eye comfort because we are between the start and end time. So let me turn it off. Actually, I will prefer to keep it always on. I mean the option turned on. And under it we've got the screen color temperature. Right now we've got set the coolest option, so just by using the switcher we can set also the warmest option, and right now the screen is, I would say, orangish even. So of course set this option just like you want to, which option is most comfortable for you, and so on. And under it we've got also the display effects. So right now we've got the colors, which means that your device saves all the colors. Like for example, here we've got the green switcher, but of course applying the yellowish color above it. But we can also set it black and white, which means that after picking it, everything will be displayed in the black and white colors. So it really depends which option you like to use, which option is most comfortable for you. Again, I think I will stick with the colors. So that was the whole customization of the eye comfort mode, and now let me show you, let's get back and let me show you how to use this mode, how to turn on and off this mode using much faster way. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, fully unroll it, and here we've got the eye comfort icon. Right now it is obviously turned on, so if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen immediately gets back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. If for some reason your device do not display this icon right here in this panel, no worries, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of apps. I mean, maybe not apps, but the shortcuts. And this is the area which is usually shown if you will unroll the top bar. So if you will find the icon, the eye comfort mode icon here, you can simply tap on it, hold it, and drag it to this section in order to show it, let's say, defaultly. So well, okay. Actually, this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode, how to customize it, how to turn it on and off in your OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.